Hello everybody, I am very glad to introduce today our newest technology in release agent. For us in Method Flow, most important is to bring value to the customer, and therefore we invest a lot of time and resources in R&D. After many years of development, we are glad to introduce to you our newest technology, NEOSIL. Now, what is NEOSIL? NEOSIL is a component of a release agent. It's a polisiloxane that has a unique characteristic which, at the same time, is a unique advantage. It resists very high temperatures. In simple words, it will resist very high temperatures inside the dye. Now, what are the benefits of this? First benefit is that we do not need to use wax in release agent. We all know that wax has a really good release power. That's a good thing of wax, but it's dirty with the dye. It's dirty with the nozzles, with the children's, and with the piece, and this is a big advantage. What are the advantages that NEOSIL brings to you? First of all, outstanding release power at very high temperatures. That means you will have a better release power. That means that you can as well work at higher dye temperature. This may allow you to be clean. You will not have to do so much cleaning. You will reduce downtime. Your children is going to be clean. Your nozzles are going to be clean. And your nozzles are going to be clean. So as a summary, NEOSIL is going to bring you better productivity, less downtime, and better piece quality. So you're going to save money. Thank you everybody, and welcome to a new era of release agent.